Want to earn $50 a day online, even if you have no experience? Stay tuned, because in the next 2 minutes, I'll show you the exact step-by-step method anyone can follow to start earning today. Step 1. Pick a simple skill. You don't need to be a pro. Start with easy services like AI content writing, graphic design using Canva, or social media management. Learn the basics from YouTube or ChatGPT in just a few hours. Step 2. Create your offer. Go to Fiverr, Upwork, or People Per Hour and make a gig like I'll design eye-catching social media posts using AI tools. Use clear titles, catchy thumbnails, and add a few sample works, even if they're self-made. Step 3. Get traffic fast. Share your gig in Facebook groups, Reddit, or LinkedIn communities. Post short videos about your work on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, or Instagram Reels. Every view is a potential client. Step 4. Deliver quality work and ask for honest reviews. Good reviews boost your rank, and soon, your first $50 turns into $100 or more daily. Remember, success online starts with one small step. Start today, stay consistent, and watch your income grow. Follow for more real online earning guides like this.